to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most of the welcome. Girl, what's good? What's popping? Happy New Year to you all out there. 2022, 2022, 2020, 2020, 2020. Yes. We made it. I'm happy, super happy to see you. Super happy to be doing what we know how to do best. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday, Christmas, New Year. Everything was good. I enjoyed every bit of it. Okay, I didn't allow any negative moods, moody to get me upset. Any advice for you guys: make the best out of 2022. Okay, time wait for nobody. Do what makes you happy. So our resolution for 2022 is discover. Okay, discover yourself, discover what you are, discover your talent, put it in practice, and we go. Okay, let the sky be your limit, baby girl. Above all, love God, do what makes God happy. Okay? Don't get irritated by Christians. Okay, Christians don't bite. They only teach you the best way to go in life, and that is the aim. Okay, beautiful, kind of glamorous, buttery skin. I really focus on my skin, but at the same time, the eyeshadow kind of took the game. You know, the game was all about how you should get your butter skin makeup like, because I get a lot of questions, how do you do your makeup that your face is so like a butter and whatever. So I just took it upon myself that I'm going to be doing a specific video just to show you blending is the key. Make sure all your tools that you're using, they are super clean and all of that. Okay, I saw this eye look on magazine, so I said let me recreate it. Why not? Not too much effort, just relax and do your timbo. Okay, so if you're interested, you want to see I come up with this kind of butterish makeup glamorous look, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video, and also leave me a comment on what you think on my video. Without any further talking, like I say, and like I always say, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and be blessed. Take care, ciao. Mwah. So guys, what's good? So we are going to start off with our face, with our skin. It's all about the skin, basically all about Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. This one right here. I want my face to look like a butter, you know what I mean? It's, NYX Professional Foundation Brush, this one right here. I'm going to be taking this Makeup Forever Professional Step 1 Skin Equalizer Primer. This is going to be only on my T-zone and my forehead and my nose, all those areas. Okay, this primer right here. So yes, this one right here. Okay, I'm just going to set my face a little bit. It's not needed, but you can go ahead and do that. I'm going to be taking this large brush that has no name. Be using L'Oreal Infallible. Okay, what is it called? Matte Coverage. Okay, this one is in Sienna 355, and this one is in Perfect Match by L'Oreal, and this one is Cappuccino. Apply. In the two foundation. Let's see. Anyways, yeah. To highlights, first I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Concealer Define and Fine, and this one is the C12. Okay, Naked Skin first. This is actually color correct, and it's called Deep Peach. I'm going to let that sit a few minutes. So while that is sitting, I'm going to go ahead and highlight with a Fenty Beauty concealer. This one right here in 470. Can't remember the last time I used this concealer actually. I'm going to use the MAC Beauty Blender. I'm going to start right on my chin. So while that is sitting, I'm going to go ahead and blend out my contour. I'm going to be taking the Makeup Factory contour brush, this one. I'm going to go ahead and blend out my highlight. So blending is the key. Blending is the key. You will not have any flashback of eyeshadow, setting powder. All right, my contour nose brush. With my Real Technique sponge. So right now I'm going to go ahead and set my face. So guys, like I've been saying, I mix my setting powder with 4 types of setting powder, with Benai powder in beige, with Huda Beauty Bakery powder, and with L'Oreal Mercier, and with the Espon. That is 4 powder. I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a video so that you really know. And when I mix it together, like guys, no flashback. Period. No flashback in 2022, baby girl. Okay, I'm going to use this drugstore. I love this beauty blender, super soft. To set my contour, I'm going to be using the Gel Liner Terracotta Bronzer in Ebony. This one right here. In this BH Cosmetic in number 3 brush, just to bronze or set my contour. Blush by Sephora called Dust 116 brush. This one right here. We're done with our face for now. We are going to do the finish later when we do our eye. Today I'm going to be showing you the new obsession when it comes to my eyebrow. I've been on the market for a very long time. You know, when I stick to one product, I never want to try another one. Long time. Essence Eyebrow Designer Eyebrow Pencil. This one right here in brown, which is number 2. Let me zoom in, baby. Zoom in. Working very well, and it's very effortless eyebrow, guys. And clean it with my favorite concealer. And this brush right here that has no name. And I'm going to use the same concealer. I'm going to use it to prime my eye to serve as an eyeshadow base. Using a new eyeshadow by Makeup Revolution, and this one is called Reloaded. Okay, Reloaded. This palette, it has no matte shade. Everything is a shimmer. I'm going to go in with the Louvier Cosmetic Sunset Nova palette. For my transition color, I'm going to go in with this shade. It's called Savannah, and I'm taking my BH Cosmetic blush. I'm using this brush at the same time to define my crease, even if I know it's a fluffy brush, but I can control the quantity that I apply and at the same time still define my crease, if that makes sense. I'm not putting pressure at all. Sunset Berry, this shade right here. Brush by Just Stop. This one is called 2-3 Smoking Shader. This brush right here, Smoking Shader. Serve as my brow bone highlight, because if I apply just Savannah, it's going to be too bare, and if I apply Sweet Orange, it's going to be too orangey. So we gotta mix them together. So yeah, brown shade. I'm just going to apply that right there at the middle, okay? Right, I'm going to go in with this shade. This golden shade is going to be on my inner corner. One of the two, I'm going to take this one, Petite Eye Blender brush. This one right here. This one is from Just Stop and it's called Look Through Petite Crease brush, which is 231. This one right here. This one. I'm going to dip in my brush into this shade right here, guys. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Normally you don't blend the shimmer shade, but when you know what you do, you know what you do. It is what it is, baby. Get period. So I'm going to line my eye a little bit with the Maybelline Gel Liner, and I'm going to be taking this shade called Savannah. Where is it? No, Sweet Orange. This shade right here, and I'm taking this brush called Body Soul. Dust the excess powder away, and I'm taking this brush right here before I go in and set all over my face. Setting powder, all right. To highlight my face, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. highlighter, and this one is in 24 karat gold. It's 114. This one right here. Okay, face focus, fixing spray. The brush like so. Mascara, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Escal. Shein lashes. This is the first time I'm trying Shein lashes. They kind of look cute, so let's see how it's going to elevate the eye look. Excuse your girl, when I was, you know, applying my lashes, I forgot to turn on the camera. It wasn't recording. Like, face with the setting spray with the Makeup Revolution matte setting. This one right here. Pick, yes. Guys, I'm going to go in with this Essence Stay 8 Hours liquid lipstick, and this one is in Down to Earth. Okay, Down to Earth. With this e.l.f. lip gloss, this one right here, and this one is called Mocha Twist. For the meantime, that's pretty much for this butter skin makeup look.